In this video, you will learn how to install and run OpenVPN in your Kali Linux. First, go terminal and type sudo apt update command to update your packages. Then enter your Kali Linux password. Then it will update your all packages to the newest version. After the update, you have to type apt install OpenVPN, so it will install your OpenVPN in your system. apt install OpenVPN. The reason it will showing you error because I have not given it the sudo permission, so you have to type with sudo apt install OpenVPN. So then it will download and install OpenVPN in your system, but in my system it is already in the newest version. Then go to your Firefox and type vpnbook.com. Scroll down, you will see the OpenVPN option, then click on OpenVPN option. Then you can download any files from your any server. So I am downloading this Canadian server. So it will given you a ad, then you have to close this ad and you can see it will download in your system. So this is the file. I'm extract in the same location, so you can check this, it will extract it. Then go to the downloads folder where your configuration file is downloaded. So you can check VPN book OpenVPN file is here. Then you have to type with sudo command sudo openvpn, then type this configuration file. So I'm copying this, paste in the terminal, then click enter. So it will show you an error. Wait, let me check what's the error. The reason you receive an error because of my mistake. So first you need to go to the disk directory VPN book. Then you can use all the configuration file if you want to use any. So I am using this one. So you have to type with OpenVPN. Then it will ask you to the username. So for the username, you can check this VPN book is the username. VPN book. So it will ask for the password. So for the password, you can check this E83 ZU76 ZU76. Now press enter. When you receive this message, initialization sequence completed, so it means you have connected to the OpenVPN and your IP is changed. For check this, let's visit dnsleaktest.com website. dnsleaktest.com. So you can check that our IP and location is changed to the Canada. So thanks for the video.